Kiss like a blade in a garden of shadows where secrets are made. Smoke girls like ribbons, it twists and it turns. The air smells of powder, the fire still burns. Roses and revolvers, beauty and the bite, a love that's a weapon, wrapped up in the fight. They bloom in the chaos, they dance in the dark. Roses and revolvers, they'll shatter your heart. A pistol's cold steel, a flower's warm hue. One pulls the trigger, the other pulls you. The petals fall slow, like a clock running out. A love letter's written, but it's laced with doubt. Bang, bang, the echoes sing, a rose drops, a thorn will sting. Bang, bang, the silence hums, the revolver clicks, the ending comes. Roses and revolvers, beauty and the bite, a love that's a weapon, wrapped up in the fight. They bloom in the chaos, they dance in the dark. Roses and revolvers, they'll shatter your
shadow sleeps on the mountain's face. It whispers secrets in the cold, dark space. The wind hums low, the trees all bow. Who knew silence could scream so loud? Shadow of the mountain, where do you go? Do you follow the river or bury the snow? Do you linger at dawn? Do you vanish at noon? Or dance with the wolves beneath the pale moon? Footsteps fade in the mossy ground, lost in the echoes where none are found. The rocks hold stories carved by the rain, every tear of the earth, every ounce of pain. Is it the shadow, or is it me, chasing ghosts I can't even see? Shadow of the mountain, where do you go? Do you follow the river or bury the snow? At noon, or dance with the wolves beneath the pale moon?
Shadows stretch and crawl, longer than my dime. The trees are silent witnesses, while the stars burn out. The air is heavy, heart is light. Is this the end or just the night? Smoke on the horizon, the world's on fire, but I'm still trying to breathe, to run, to find the truth. Smoke on the horizon. Where are you? Is it a warning? Is it a sign? Is it the end of the line? Or just a spark we failed to see? The ashes of you and me. Flowing deep through the canyon's throat, a silver thread where legends flow, whispers of time carved in stone. A river speaks, but it's never alone. River of the gods, carry me far, past the moonlight, past the stars, through the echoes, through the sands. Hold my fate in your endless hands. a match under the midnight dome, fingers trembling, hearts made of chrome. The stars shivered, the air stood still. We whispered to the dark, bended to our will. Ashes fall
A silver sky where shadows gleam. I'm chasing stars in a restless stream. Fingers grasp but they slip through. What's real? What's me? What's true? Crown of dreams, it's shining bright, lost in the dark, but I'll find the light. Crown of dreams, it's all I see, 1,000 paths. Which one's for me? The ground it shakes, the air stands still, climbing mountains against my will. Every step a whispered prayer. Is the crown waiting there? The world's a maze of broken seams, but I'm holding on to my crown of dreams. Crown of dreams, it's shining bright, lost in the dark, but I'll find the light. Crown of dreams, it's all I see, 1,000 paths. Which one's for me? Golden whispers call my name. A spark, a flame, a burning game. Every fall just feeds my fire. Every loss builds me higher. Golden whispers call my name.
This is where our hearts will meet.
The moon's a broken bottle in the sky. Shards of light cut the dark, make it cry. Boot heels scuffing the gravel road alone somehow. Where does it go? Whiskey and wild nights burning so bright, tangled in trouble, chasing the fight. Whiskey and wild nights never feel right, but who needs right when wrong's so alive? The jukebox screams in a smoky haze. The clock's stuck staring, it don't count days. Laughter rolls like dice on a tilted floor. One more round, then one round more. The fire's in the glass, the past is in the air. Whiskey and wild nights burning so bright, tangled in trouble, chasing the fight. Whiskey and wild nights never feel right, but who